We see it all the time in politics. One side talking about the other and talking down about them. But what's this got to do with your marketing videos? Well, think about how it makes you feel when you see people talking down about someone else. I always remember when I was working in engineering, there was like the odd person here or there that you just knew every time you went to them with either your work or someone else's work, that they go, oh no, that's all wrong, this is right, oh look, they've done this wrong, and just completely trash it. And when you're first starting out, you're like, oh wow, those guys really know their stuff, like they're really amazing and everything. And the trouble is that you get used to it and you know that that's what they're going to do every single time because that's their strategy. And it's the same with politicians. We see them talking down about the other side, and what happens as a result? We stop listening to them. We don't want to hear from them. That's not what we're there to hear, and it's the same with your marketing content. Contrast this with people who are positive and optimistic. How do those people make you feel? They're magnetic, aren't they? Enthusiasm is contagious and enthusiasm is magnetic. And critically, from a marketing point of view, you want to listen to those people. They're encouraging you, they're being optimistic about the future and all the possibilities and everything like that. And you get drawn to them and you want to listen to them. So what does this teach us about our own marketing videos? Well, for me, it's about being positive and enthusiastic and optimistic, and I think if you can put out content like that, you're going to win in the long term. You might, get some short-term wins with all the negative stuff, but I think over time people don't buy into it and they stop listening to you. They want to be around positive and enthusiastic people. So try and put out useful, helpful content that's encouraging and giving optimism, and apart from anything else, you're adding something good to the world instead of adding something negative to the world. I know it can be hard to seem like energetic on your videos and things. The reason is that the camera cuts down your energy levels by like 2 or 3 notches, whatever a notch in energy is. It's really true. If you come on there and you just talk like you normally talk, like I pretty much talk like this, that probably comes across as being quite boring, right? But you've got to sort of bring it up a couple of notches when you're on camera because it gets dialed down by the camera for some reason. I don't know why. I don't know what the science is of that, and it doesn't really matter. Fact is, when you go on and do your videos, you've got to bring the energy to them. So that's just another top tip in terms of being on camera and making your videos seem enthusiastic and optimistic. So get rid of all the negative chat. Get on there, tell us some positive stuff, forget the negative stuff, don't talk down about your competitors or anyone else. No one's interested in it. It just makes us feel like you're going to talk down about us behind our backs as well. Get on there, be optimistic, be enthusiastic, and have fun making your videos.